Welcome to the Düsseldorf Boat Show 2026. As you can see, I'm on the Sunseeker stand and I'm about to show you this boat behind me, which is the 90 Ocean. It's the largest boat they've got on display here and it's quite a beast. So let's jump aboard and have a look. Right, as we approach the boat, the first thing you notice is this huge beach club area. Massive acres of space. A platform that does go down, but is really designed just for living close to the water. We've got these two massive, huge sort of deck chair things, which you can just recline on and enjoy being close to the water. And just quickly, we've managed to lift this rear section, so those seats are now there, but with this up you've got access to more storage there. Keep all your water toys in there, maybe a seaboard, paddle boards or whatever it might be. Mooring gear either side, got some bins for the tails for your ropes there, but what a place to be. And this is all about being outside and close to the water. Lovely illuminated steps as we go up to the cockpit, and I'm going to go straight down the side, and you can see the height of these sides. They come way above my waist. Nice glass underneath there, huge glass panels which we'll see from the inside in a minute. And then I'm just going to squeeze past this door which is open and come up onto this very impressive bow. Now up here, I'll just stop and show you this locker here, because there's a nice deep storage for fenders and things. But just look what we've got up here. An enormous sofa, the after part of it. You've got a really nice tabletop there. Got these pop-up lights, you've seen those. Some cup holders. More seating to that side with its own table. Again, you've got those pop-up lights. Then a huge sun pad area. So three people on there. And then opposite, we have another bench on that side. Our huge mooring gear up here. I'll just lift the anchor locker so you can see. Look at that. Huge. Even got steps going down into there. Just look at that. It is just massive. I'll walk back down this side. Again, lovely wide side decks. This boat will do 27 knots, has 4,000 horsepower. So even being this size is no slouch. So let's have a look in this cockpit. We've got some lovely freestanding furniture, very cool ceiling on that, and this back rail is all just glass, so you don't have your view interrupted at all. These two panels actually open up. Over here we've got a sink, and you can have a grill in there if you want. And over this side we've got our helm controls if you are mooring stern to. But this space is just huge, and the beauty of having freestanding furniture is you can configure it how you want. Right, let's go inside and just take that in for a second. Flush floor, so you're not going to trip up on anything. Over there, massive screen right opposite your sofas here, and there we see the benefit of the huge glass windows, but also the glass in those sides, so it doesn't interrupt your view. But these sofas are just really deep, and gosh, I don't know how many people you'd sit on there, 10 certainly. Opposite that, we've got the dining table, which is set up for 8. Again, fabulous views out of the side there. That's actually a sliding door. Just incredible. Just incredible. Now if we move forward, we can see the galley opens here, but what we have got, if you see those tracks there, all these panels here will actually enclose it. So if you didn't want to see what was going on in the galley, you can have the crew in there preparing food and then just bringing it out to you and your guests here. So let's just have a look in the galley, which is pretty similar to probably what you've got at home. So lots and lots of storage. We've got a dishwasher in there, oven, induction hob. We've got, I just open that, storage all the way along there. Over here we've got our nice big fridge and a freezer under that. Over here we've got a microwave built in. We've got more chiller drawers to that side, and of course your wine cooler in there. What we've also got here is a door out to that side deck, which I had to squeeze past out there. Now the beauty of that is it means that your crew can come and go from the galley, so they could go back to the crew cabin or be outside somewhere, so they're not disturbing you and your guests while you're dining. Go forward again, and we've got the helm, which is very impressive. We'll have a quick look at that in a minute. But then opposite here, we've got this beautiful area for sitting while you're on passage. And then just to make sure you don't have to go too far, if you do need the loo while on passage, we've got a very nice little heads there with a huge window out. But let's just have a look at this helm. 2 huge screens, all our controls, MAN engines, as I said, 4,000 horsepower, our screens for controlling everything, and just look at these seats, all electrically controlled, just beautiful leather. We've got another access door out there. It really is just stunning. Right, so let's just drop down these beautifully illuminated, I feel like I'm going into a nightclub or a very chic hotel, and come into this, which is a beautiful VIP cabin, all very high quality finishings, beautiful lighting. Just have a pan round. You've got 2 big hull windows. We're up in the bow, as you can probably tell. That side. This amazing carpet goes right up the side. Beautiful worktops. And just incredible. Massive screen there. Then we have an ensuite here. Nice big sink. Again, you've got a window out there. Loo there. Big mirror up there. And if we just come around this corner, we have a very large shower, the lovely head up there, finished in what looks like marble, probably isn't, but it is just very stylish. And the element we walked through there gives you a little office. Nice big, I just opened that, nice big wardrobe there with funky lighting again. And again, more storage there. Just fabulous. Love these stairs. Okay, let's go down to the main accommodation. Again, we've got these superb lit stairs. And we will start in this, the twin. And it's a very good sized cabin. Lots of floor space between those 2 beds. Huge hull window. Again, we've got all these gorgeous fabrics. Just see them up there. Very cool wood finish there. Massive TV there. Again, we've got the funky lighting in the ceiling, and an ensuite in here, which is a really good size. Big walk-in shower, lots of mirrors which make it seem even bigger. Good storage under that sink. And if we just pull out, a lovely big hanging wardrobe in there. And this is just the twin. So if I go into here, we have equivalent size, but this one's made into a double. So it's pretty much a mirror image. Again, all the same quality of finishings, big TV. Same deep wardrobe. Just look at the handle, it's lovely. It's lovely to touch. And exactly the same ensuite there. Right, let's duck in here. This is the impressive one. So this is the full beam owner's cabin, master cabin. Huge hull windows. You've got a breakfast area here, you've got storage down there, but a massive bed, all beautifully lit, illumination under there, very funky wall lights. Again, you've got that beautiful fabric, and down there, massive, that says a TV screen, it's doubling up as a mirror. Down here, dressing table unit, that lid obviously folds down and increases the work surface. Brilliant side cabinets. Again, look at the curves. The curves are just fabulous. Hope you can see that. Another big window there. And then we come into the ensuite with acres of worktop. His and hers sinks. A huge walk-in shower. Loo down there. Rainfall shower. Shelving for your products, and a hand shower, an amazing drain there. This is just a fabulous place. If I just go in here, we've got what is your sort of, it's not quite a walk-in wardrobe, but you've got huge wardrobes. Again, you've got these lovely handles, lots of storage, lots of hanging space, and a safe to keep all your money if you haven't spent it on this boat. But this is just very, very special. Right, let's go and have a look at the Flybridge. Right, so these are the steps up from the cockpit to the Flybridge. All the steps are illuminated, of course. And here we are, and it is huge. Just quickly pan round. I'm going to start forward and work back. So on the starboard side we have lots of sunbathing area. So at least two people on there maybe, cup holders. You are in the sun here, the hardtop stops there, but look at that hardtop, it's massive. It does have a lid cover that comes over here. You can just see the pleats there, and we've got this helm. Look at these seats, how cool are they? Just awesome. Bolsters which lift up so you can stand. I think you'd mostly be sitting here, to be honest. A superb helm station. Control things on your steering wheel, throttles close to hand, thrusters, two huge screens, engine management, just fabulous. And if we come back, so look at this dining area. It is massive, and these actually will form two smaller tables. So that and that is folded up, so that is just that if you want, and same there. So you can have it as two smaller tables or this one huge dining table, and you would seat a lot of people there. Look at those speakers set in here. Be an amazing place to be up here. Now here we've got what is effectively a bar, and again you've probably got crew on this boat. Look at the detailing down there. So this is where your crew would probably work from. Got a fabulous sink under there. This marble worktop is just gorgeous. If I lift this lid, nice big griddle there, and then of course beneath here is a combination of storage and refrigeration. Ice maker there, 2 refrigeration drawers in there, more refrigeration in there, and then finally we've got a bit of storage and a bin in there. But what a place to entertain. Let's just come back onto this area, which is just a vast deck area. The hardtop finishes there, but you have got this extending bimini which will extend right over this area should you need it. But it is just a massive space, and at the moment you can see it seems to be set up for yoga, but you just have whatever freestanding furniture you want. Glass panels here so you get the view out, but what a place to be. Another little worktop here for doing whatever you want on, and again just some storage under there. What a fabulous boat, and what a fabulous place to spend a sunny day in your favourite bay. So there we have it. What an impressive boat, and what an amazing place to spend time with friends, family or whatever. You're certainly going to have a good time. Price of this boat, well, the reality is you're not going to have much change from 10 million once you've spec'd it up. So it's not a cheap experience, but if you're in the market for something like that, it's certainly a very special one. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to subscribe. It makes a big difference to us. It allows us to come and do these events, and it costs you nothing. Just press that button below. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.